Hello everybody, this is Patrick here. I'm explaining you our Auto-Niche-Domain-ator, the part 2. So this is a software that you can use for scraping your list of URLs for your specific keywords. So the software has these many tabs built into it. So the first tab, which is URL scraper, is used to scrape a list of URLs for your keywords. The second tab can find you the backlinks for all those URLs using Yahoo Site Explorer. The third module can find you the things like page rank, traffic values, as well as whether the pages are indexed in Yahoo, Google or not. The fourth tab is used for finding the whois info. This uses who.is as the provider. And the fourth tab is for getting the meta info for all the URLs that you are scraping. So let's start with the first module here. This module is used for scraping the list of URLs for your keywords. So this is the first box where you'll need to provide your list of keywords. So I'll type one keyword for the time being, that is iPhone. You can also browse to a file that contains your list of keywords in the new lines. And the second box here is for defining your footprints. So in this box currently there are these many options available like WordPress, PHP forum, SMF forum, vBulletin, PHPLD, or you can even define your custom footprints by typing them here in this box. For the time being, I'll say, let's say I want to use WordPress, and the second box is for defining the types of sites that you want to scrape. So you can go for .edu domains, .gov domains, .com domains, .org domains, or even your custom definition for the domain types. So I'll select any for the time being here. The third box is for your search options, whether you want to search all in title, all in URL, in title, in URL, or in anchor, all in anchor, or you can even define your exact match here, so that it sends the keywords in excuse me, in quotes. So I'll select any here as well. This is a box where you'll need to define how many URLs do you want to scrape per keyword. So for the time being, I'll say 200 here. And this is a delay box. So this is a security mechanism to make sure that Google doesn't detect your traffic that you're sending from your computer as spam, and it doesn't end up blocking you. So you can define your delay in seconds in this box, and it will send queries after that delay each time you want to send a new query. So I'll select 5 seconds for the time being here. And this is the captcha, whether you want to use manual or deCAPTCHA. You can define your deCAPTCHA credentials in the CSV file that is provided with the software. And these boxes are used whether you want to use all these tabs, the following tabs, automatically, or you would want to use them individually one after another. For the time being, I'll explain everything by going to each tab one by one, so I won't tick these boxes here. And so this is a keyword file I don't want to use. This is a custom footprint we have already defined here, and this is a custom site type, search URL. We do not need to provide anything here. And this is the file to use, that is a CSV file that you would want your keywords and all other info to be saved. So I'll browse to a CSV file. Maybe I'll just create a new CSV file on my desktop. So I'll name it as keywords.csv. I'll save it and I'll hit the play button. Let's see what it does. So the first thing it will go is to go to google.com. It is define the preferences and settings to make sure that the results you are getting are relevant to you. And then it will go back to google.com again and type your keywords one after another. So it should start with the word iPhone here, and we are looking for powered by WordPress. So this is a keyword it searched, and it scraped around 200 URLs for that keyword, and that is it for this module. So it's already on the page 3. It has already scraped the list of URLs, and it should have already made a file on the desktop. Let's go to the file and see what is there. So this should be keyword.csv. Yeah, so this is the file. So this is a list of URLs that it has found for you. So as you can see in the first column it has said iPhone, and in the second column onwards, in the second column it is showing the links, the WordPress page links for all your keywords. So I'll just close this file and I'll go to the second module now. So this is for finding the backlinks for on the site yahoo.com. I select a specific URL. You can select main domain here, so that in that case it will just find the backlinks for the main domain. But I'll be going with a specific URL for the time being. I just select the same keyword file here that we have just scraped, and I'll hit the play button. So the first thing that it will do after hitting the play button is it will go to Yahoo Site Explorer, and it will try to find all the URLs one by one and find the backlinks for all of them, and keep saving the TSV file that Yahoo generates for each of those backlinks. So I'll just keep it running for maybe 5 to 10 more seconds, and then I'll head over back to that the same CSV file and see what is there available now. So maybe I'll just stop the program now, and I'll go to the keyword CSV file. Yeah, so here as you can see that it has already scraped how many how many pages are there from Yahoo, and how many inlinks are there for all the backlinks that you have just scraped. And it is saving the TSV file inside a folder called backlinks, and it is saving the location of that TSV file here in the E column. So if I go to the same folder, I'll go inside the backlinks folder, and as you can see that it has already scraped 3 URLs. So after this point I'll maybe head over back to the bot, and I'll go to the third module, which is a page rank and traffic estimator. I'll select a specific URL here also. I'll just close the CSV file, and I'll browse to the same CSV file. Here it is. I'll click the yes button, and I'll hit the play button now. So it will now go to our own website, and it will create backlinks. It will find the different factors for all the URLs, like their technocracy rank, their Google page rank, Alexa popularity, Google backlinks, Yahoo inlinks, and whether the sites are indexed in the search engines or not. And it will keep saving all this info in the same CSV file in a very nicely formatted way. So I'll just stop the program here, and I'll go back to the CSV file to see how does it look like now. So as you can see that it has already placed here the Alexa backlinks, the Google backlinks, Yahoo inlinks, and their Google page rank, Alexa popularity, and things of those sort. So just close the CSV file once again. I'll go to the fourth module now. I'll say a specific URL here. I'll browse to the keyword file, and I'll hit the play button. So now it will go to who.is and keep trying for the who is info for all the domains that you are getting. Or maybe I'll just stop the program here, and I'll select main domain here for the demonstration purposes. So if you select main domain here, it will just search for the main domain for each of the URLs. It won't search for the whole URLs as such. So just play it again, and it will start. As you can see here that it is now searching only for the main domain and not the whole URL. And it will keep saving the whole of the info in the same CSV file in the following columns. So I'll just maybe stop the program now, and see what it has put in the CSV file now. So as you can see here that it has already placed the things like registrar, the expiry date of the domain, the created date of the domain, their IP address, their IP location, what is this page per view, there's the domain name and things of those sort. So I'll just stop the program here. I'll go back to the program. I'll go to the meta info. I'll select a specific URL once again. I'll browse to the keyword.csv file and I'll hit the play button once again. Now it will keep opening all the URLs one by one and it will save the title, their meta tags, their meta keywords and all that info in the same CSV file. So this is this has opened just opened the first URL. Once the page is loaded, it will go to the second URL. And it will keep saving all the info that is available on those pages, like their titles, their meta tags, their meta info and things of those sort. So this is the second site. I'll just wait for it to load and then maybe I'll just stop the program and go back to the CSV file and see what's there available now. So these pages sometimes take a bit of time in loading because they are personal sites and they may take a while in loading. So I'll just stop the program now. I'll reopen the keyword.csv file and you can see here that it has already updated the title and the meta description. So as you can see that none of these sites have meta description or meta tags available. The title is available on all four of them, so it has updated them. So I think that is it for this tool. One more thing that I would like to mention again, that if you want to run the tool for the complete cycle, all you need to do is just tick these boxes, enter the values here and hit the play button, and it will generate a very good, nicely formatted CSV file in the end for you, and you can use it directly in any way you want. So thanks for watching the tutorial.